Hi there, welcome to Crochet Critters. Tonight we're going to do a nice quick little tutorial on how to do this little bow here, and I think it adds just a super cute little touch to any of your projects. I've put it on this little bunny here which I love. This is a no-sew bunny pattern. I've got a video tutorial for this one if you would like. I'll put the link in the description below, so you can go check that out too. But tonight we'll be working on this little bow. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment if you'd like as well. I'd love to hear what you think, or even what project you're going to put your little bow on. But with that, we'll get started. So we don't need much for this one. We just need some yarn and a crochet hook. So this is Hobby's Honey Bunny yarn, and I'm using a 5mm crochet hook with that. Nice and easy. So to start with, we're just going to be starting with a slip knot. Just nice and simple little slip knot there. Pull that tight on the hook, and then we're going to just chain 2. So 1, 2. And then working in the second chain from the hook, we're going to just do a single crochet, a slip stitch into that. Slip stitch into that. And then we're going to chain 3. So that's 3. And we're going to do a double crochet into that same stitch. So that's 1, 2, sorry. Do a double crochet, we do yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and another 2. So that's 2 double crochets. We're going to do another one, insert, pull through 2, and then pull through 2. So that we've done 3 double crochets, and then we're just going to chain 3 again. 2, 3, and slip stitch back down into that stitch again. Easy. So we've got half of the bow started there. Then we're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and work on the other half of the bow. So we'll go back into that stitch again. So yarn over and insert for the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, do that 3 times total. Oops, yes, pull through too many loops there. And one more time. And then we'll chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Oh, sorry, not yarn over. And we'll just slip stitch back into the center again. Okay, so you've got that. We will just cut a bit of a tail and then just pull that through. And now to secure this, what we're actually going to do is wrap this around the middle, and it's going to just help cinch it in a bit, make it super cute and bow-like. Just keep this other tail out the way if you can, and just wrap this around a few times like this. And then grab both tails, and we're going to tie those together to secure it all nicely. And there you go. So you can also use those tails to then sew it onto your project. And you've got a super quick, cute, easy bow, which just adds a nice little feature to your project. Just if you want to differentiate a girl bunny from a boy bunny or something like that, you can do whatever you want. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time for another tutorial, hopefully. See ya!